Hello, my freaking flyers. This is Dr. Darren and president of the FAST Foundation. Welcome to week 4 video. Did you notice the beanie is gone? That means I think spring is coming. It's warming up and oh, so nice. This week was kind of all over the place, honestly, because I had some family commitments. We went out of town, and so I couldn't take on any huge projects. So it was a lot of here and there, little stuff.
We were able to finally tip over that big concrete slab.
We cleaned up some of the brick from one of the holes. We played some epic bike tag. We're able to put together our check-in area.
And of course, we dabbled in some goofing off.
We were able to swap out one of the stoves. We played sardines. We were able to take down one of the letters, the E in the E-Best Plumbing sign. Started doing a lot of designing. Welcome to week 4. And just remember, kindness is currency. Let's do the dang thing.
Now, equally as fun, but not as physically demanding, is taking measurements and designing. So for this section of the ramp, we want to keep our incline to the ramp a 5-to-1, meaning it goes down only 5 inches for every 12 inches over. That'll keep it safe and accessible to most people. This is important because we have to worry about headroom. Now, this was a simple task that I figured I could do in a couple hours in between picking up my kids and dropping them off. But I was really excited to get my ladder out and go out to the sign and to take down one of the letters so that I could try to match it at local antique shops or even at a place that has these letterings. Wanted to really keep as true as I can to the original sign while also being able to kind of upcycle it to what we're using. So we took off the E from the E-Best because it had the fewest screws to remove. So I needed to put the ladder away, but it's not that simple. I like to dabble a little Y chromosome here and there. This was kind of bittersweet for me. I love the old stove that I got from the old rancher out in the sticks in Missouri, but it had a cast iron front and you don't get to see any of the flames, and that's kind of a bummer because seeing flames is part of the fun of having a wood fire. So we were able to switch it out. Kind of an unexpected thing that I've come to just love about putting together this fast track building is getting to know all these random people on my journeys and my goose chases to try to discover all these random things that I'm gonna need. This stove was actually sold to us by a Korean vet, phenomenal guy who worked at Titan Wheel for 30 years, and he actually lived right across the street, and people used to make fun of him because he lives so close to work, but he got to walk to work. He got to come home for lunch with his wife. I did not expect doing this would connect me so quickly with the community. Man, look at that fire burn.
1, 2! We are playing our favorite game so far. It's called bike tag. Basically, we ride around and we try to catch each other. You can tag each other with the hands or with your bike tires. And that's really the only rules. Tag bats are legal. 25 seconds, here I come! Dun, 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 dun. Oh, there they are! And I'm gonna get ya! They're in the secret tunnel. Oh no, where are they going? Ah, there she is! She can't hide forever! Yeah! I'm gonna get you! Oh yes! You can't fake me though. Oh, we got you. Who should I tag? Tag her in. Yeah, I got her with the camera! Ah! Hide in my favorite spot. My hands are cold too. I brought gloves if you want gloves. Or go over by the fire and put your hands in front of the fire. That's why the fire's there. Oh, it's roaring. We got it going. It's set. Yeah. So put your hands up there and get your hands warm. Can you feel the heat? Yeah. Oh, does it feel good? Yeah. This is my favorite hiding spot because this is money. Shh. If I can't see them, they can't see me. Ah! No, you can't see me. I'm good. Ah! 1, 2, square root of 94, Omaha, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 17, here I come!
Break time. Oh, look at that fire. All right, enough play. Now it's time to get some work done. So we tried to set up a system with a pallet board and tried to save as many of the full-size bricks. We kind of want to figure out some feature that has like a brick road or brick path. So once we started getting into a rhythm, Nora was the stacker and May was kind of the hander-offer and I was the shoveler. We got moving and grooving. It worked out really good. One of 6 holes knocked out and cleaned up. Bunny hop. The one on the way back, far less impressive. But I was impatient to wait to clean up the other one, so we just tried to take it on like a true mountain biker.
Look how freaking cool these are. We're gonna frame these. This is gonna be bad.
I really, in my designs, have tried to really maintain as much as possible the original layout of this building, as it was such a significant piece of history to so many people's lives and so many businesses' history. But sometimes layouts don't match with different functions. So we whacked out one of the sides because I needed about 6 more inches of room so that I could repurpose this huge beast of a molted tank of a shelf, and so that we could use it for helmets or pads or even t-shirts that can be rented or sold. And so I think it looks phenomenal and really excited about it, as you can tell. And we finished the week with my nieces and nephews with a 54,000 square foot game of hide and go seek tag sardines. Oh, it was epic.
All right, so that was week 4 demo at the Fast Tracks building. Guys, appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, consider it. If you have any questions, concerns, hey, or if you want to donate your time or your dinero, do so by reaching out to the FAST Foundation. Email and social media contacts are linked below. Remember, kindness is currency. All right, Knuckles, noggin, butterfly kisses, and